Welcome to Bullets, Pickler Wealth Advisors Monthly Market Update, where each month I'll break down the major economic and political activities happening in our world. No frills, no jargon, just the facts. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. As Apple celebrates its 50th anniversary on April 1st, our America 250 series turns the spirit of innovation that shaped generations of American progress. Thomas Edison and Steve Jobs stand as two defining figures in that story. Edison's inventions helped power a new era of possibility, while Jobs' vision transformed the way people create, communicate, and connect. Though they lived in different centuries, both saw beyond what existed and imagined what could be. Their legacy is a reminder that innovation does not simply change what we use, it changes how we live. Looking back to the month of March, truly a month of oil and war-driven volatility. We saw performance and volatility that was really at the forefront as global stocks fell for the second consecutive month. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the Dow all declined by as much as 10%. We saw market volatility that was driven by geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, surging oil prices, and AI-driven sector rotation. We saw Mag 7 stocks that were down year-to-date over 30% now. We also in the month of March saw an oil price spike. Fears of supply chain disruptions due to the Iran war saw oil prices up over 40%. And ongoing concerns about Iran's ability to move oil through the Strait of Hormuz also impacted oil prices. We also saw in the month of March sector rotation as large company technology stocks sold off, while defensive stocks such as energy companies showed great resilience. We saw AI stocks crushed as the market sold off AI stocks with any hint of bad news. It truly was a period of shoot first, ask questions later. But as the month ended, we saw hopes of a peace accord that brought some month-end optimism. Despite fears of rising inflation and a possible Fed rate hike, the overall market did not panic and the economy showed some resilience. Now as we move forward to the month of April, we do have a sense of cautious optimism due to the possible resolution of the Iran war and the reopening of the supply chains in the Straits of Hormuz. Markets are also balancing the expectation for high Q1 earnings, growth also with lingering geopolitical tensions and inflation fears. As we go into the Q1 earnings season, this is going to be crucial as we're looking for maybe as much as 12% year-over-year S&P earnings growth. We'll be watching very closely for market direction from companies like JP Morgan and Netflix. We also will be looking at those geopolitical risks and the ongoing volatility and uncertainty from the Middle East. When will the war end? And how much more damage will be done to our economy before it does end? Investor sentiment will be watching strategies as they become more bullish, saying possibly the market has become oversold. And possibly we'll see a technical rebound after the corrections of the month of March. Can the rebound continue? Well, we'll be watching to see what happens with this year and see if it's compared to the market sell-off we saw in April 2025 caused by the Liberation Day tariff announcement by President Trump. We'll be watching. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, at Pickler Wealth Advisors, it's our family delivering solutions for your family. This is our passion. This is our purpose. Together we plan. Until next time, I'm David Pickler, and these are the Market Bullets.